Hi everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to improve app connectivity on your iPhone. If this video helps, please take a moment to follow my channel and like the video. So here's the situation. Here's my iPhone. This is actually just the Chrome app on my phone. But I have lots of other apps too, and you can see, dozens and dozens of apps. And one thing that I've found is sometimes when I'm outside trying to use a certain app, this is in particular the Dunkin' Donuts app, the app just freezes up. It won't be able to identify the nearest shop. It won't be able to just basically place an order or anything else. And there's a couple tricks that you can do to get things moving again, and I'm going to share them with you. The first trick should be pretty obvious to a lot of people who have a weak connectivity in their house for some reason. Maybe they have to just move to another part of the house. In my case, I've learned that whenever I'm ordering from the Dunkin' Donuts app, and actually let's find the Dunkin' Donuts app. It's that one right there. I have to do it in certain parts of my morning walk. Like I can't do it next to the baseball field, but I can do it when I'm approaching the post office. It'll work right then. So that's step number one. The second one is something that I learned basically by messing around with the connectivity settings in my phone. So I'm going to be swiping from the top right corner of the phone right now, where the Wi-Fi and battery symbol is, with my thumb. And this little kind of quick screen pops up. In the top left corner, you will see a bunch of icons. There's the airplane mode icon. There's the green one, which is your normal LTE connectivity or 5G connectivity for your phone. There's a Bluetooth symbol, and then there's a Wi-Fi symbol. One thing I've learned in order to get things moving is sometimes you need to turn off the Wi-Fi, even if you're not near a Wi-Fi signal or you're not trying to connect to home Wi-Fi. So I'm going to tap that right now. Turn off the Wi-Fi signal. So it says disconnecting nearby Wi-Fi until tomorrow. And what it's going to do is you'll see it's going to pick up the LTE signal right away. And what I've found is that sometimes when I'm outside, my phone will be trying to connect with a Wi-Fi network. It may be able to partially kind of connect with it, but then it's kind of in this state where it's not really following through. And in the meantime, if I'm using an app, it just won't connect. The app will be showing as non-operational, can't find the nearest, like for the Dunkin' Donuts, can't find the nearest location. And it's really frustrating. And I've seen it happen to other people as well. So what I've learned is just turn off the Wi-Fi, but leave your normal phone connectivity on. Like the LTE, don't tap that. Don't tap airplane mode. Just turn off the Wi-Fi. Just turn off the Wi-Fi and see if that speeds things up when it switches to the LTE signal. Okay, and the last step, it's kind of a silly thing to mention, but I think it's worth mentioning, is if you have a case on your iPhone, like a plastic case or one of these silicone cases wrapped around it, this will actually interfere a little bit with your phone's connectivity, whether it's the regular LTE signal or if it's the Wi-Fi signal. So what I've learned to do actually is if I'm in a new place, or like let's say I'm on, I don't know, vacation, or I'm kind of in a remote area, I'll take the plastic case off of the phone, and that will usually give me one more bar on the phone. It's kind of like a slow hack and a slow trick, but it actually works because your it has an antenna in it, and it's trying to get through the plastic and anything else that might be wrapped around it. So if you remove that plastic, it may help a little bit and may help improve the connectivity. This is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guide signing off. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube. And also you can see more In 30 Minutes Guides at in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.